So in this video we're going to have a look at linear patterns and what makes a pattern linear. So here we have three types of sequences and we're asked to try and find the next three terms. So if we look at this first sequence here, we've got 5, 11, 17 and 23. Now if I'm going to find the next three terms, I'm going to have a blank here because I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, three terms. So the difference between 5 and 11, what do you think that is? Well, it's 6. And the difference between 11 and 17 is 6. And the difference between 17 and 23 is 6. So we're adding 6 each time. And because our first difference is a constant or the same number, we call this a linear pattern. So make sure you take down this little box in your notes. So with this in mind, let's see, can we figure out what are the next three numbers? So we're adding 6 each time. Pause the video now and see, can you figure out what the next three numbers are? So the next three numbers are 29, 35 and 41 because we're adding 6 each time. Now let's have a look at the next sequence. So here we have the sequence 9, 27, 81 and 243. Now let's see, can we figure out what is the pattern here? So straight away we can see that there is a common number between these. We're multiplying by 3 each time. 9 by 3 is 27, 27 by 3 is 81, and 81 by 3 is 243. So what we're doing is we're multiplying by 3. And again, my pattern is a constant number, therefore it's linear. So what will the next three numbers be? Well, pause the video now and see, can you figure out what the next three numbers are? Remember, we're multiplying by 3 each time. Excellent. So you found that the next three numbers are 729, 2187 and 6,561. And we know it's linear because our constant difference is times 3. See, can you do part 3 now on your own?